10 Summer Fruits List. One. Watermelon. Watermelons are healthy and cheap. It is not only a great source of water but vitamin A and C as well. Vitamin A boosts immunity and is good for the eyes. Vitamin C also boosts immunity. Watermelon also has vitamin B6 and potassium. Summers are incomplete without this red and juicy fruit. This is one of the best cooling fruits to gorge on during the summer season. 2. Mango. Mangoes, though high in calories, are a rich source of nutrients. There are reasons why mangoes are known as the king of fruits. This fruit is enriched with fiber and has as many as 20 minerals and vitamins. 3. Papaya. Papaya prevents skin damage and reduces inflammation. It also has a decent amount of antioxidants and helps prevent cancer and serious heart diseases. It is a great choice for someone who is on a weight loss diet. 4. Oranges. Oranges are sweetest, juiciest summer fruit full of nutrients. Orange is low in calories and keeps your blood pressure in check. Orange is also a source of vitamin in your body after an age. 5. Guava. Guava is another summer fruit that you can include in your weight loss diet. Many people do not like guava as they are stiff and come with seeds. If you are one among them, know that there are ample reasons to love this fruit. 6. Lychee. Lychee though arrives a little late in summer but is worth the wait. The taste and sweetness of lychee are exquisite, plus it is also a source of nutrients. 7. Peaches. Peaches are also high in vitamin C. The fiber present in peaches fills you up without increasing weight. Peaches also cure metabolic syndrome. It also lowers the risk of cancer. 8. Strawberry. Strawberries have been in use since time immemorial. They were used to treat many health conditions by making tonics. Strawberries were used for skin problems, teeth whitening, and digestive issues. 9. Pineapple. Pineapples are one of the most loved tropical fruits there are. It is a part of every fruit salad made in the summer season. Pineapples help in boosting metabolism and reduce inflammation. They regulate hypertension and also help burn calories. 10. Plums. Plums are rich in nutrients. These round-shaped fruits are rich in dietary fiber and sorbitol, which work together to help relieve constipation and other digestive problems. Plums keep the heart healthy by maintaining blood pressure levels and preventing strokes. Thank you very much for watching video. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.